Before you begin, make sure your propane tank is in good repair and that all the fittings are tight and not leaking. Open the tank 1/4 turn and make sure your regulator is properly set for your particular forge, about 9 pounds in this case. Light the forge quickly, trying not to burn too much hair off your arm. Allow the forge to warm up to about 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, then cut off the fuel. As the temperature begins to drop, use tongs to insert your preferred cut of steak and close the door. Be careful not to leave it too long. It will cook very quickly. For rare, it will need to broil for only about 90 seconds. Delicious. This concludes the list of logical uses for a propane forge.